Hey, good morning. Today is 4 days. Day three. Day three. Yes. So I painted the door again, just to make sure they look nice and green. I completed yesterday the ramp on one side. I need to go get another 2x6. Let me show you from here. So I have the ramp, and eventually I'm gonna have like wire just like upstairs in between, but at least now I have the ramp getting the other side. So I'm gonna pour today the slab here in front. Such a nice day, perfect day for concrete. So I painted the door, painted the side here. It was white, so I put it back green, and then I changed the AC that was not working. This one, I put a portable AC inside. What I will do eventually this week is put like a cover, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But what we found out is it's better to have portable AC when you're so close to the ocean like this. So this way they don't rust and they last longer. Down the road, when I get the WAPA full electric power, I will likely install like a mini split or 2 mini split. But for now, portable AC, they work well. So yeah. Here's the ocean. A little bit quiet. It's barely 9 a.m. close to 9 a.m. So I've already done a lot of work. I woke up at 4 this morning, started working. Yeah, I just want to get it done. So another week and then an intense week. So all right. There we go, the truck is coming. A little issues, took forever, but he found his way. What you doing? Alright, he's coming. It's it. There, it's coming. Yeah. So I'm done with the slab. Look at this one. It's not I didn't have like something to make it smooth, but it's perfect. It's good. It's good for what I need to do. So it will bring weights at the bottom of the piers, and then at the same time during the day when it's too hot, we just come here and then we put the lounge chair and stuff, and then we just relax under the shade, under the container, and look at the beach, let the kids play, you know. There's a lot of shades around here, like with the palm trees. So yeah. And then I went to Plaza East to buy solar panel. So I have five Canadian 405 watts. So I purchased 5 solar panel, and let me show you all. I'll bring them up. It's not easy alone, but I can still do it. All right, bringing things up. One more panel.